Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Do you have the Tab S4? Are you considering the book cover provided by Samsung? Well, let's check it out and see if it's worth the buy. So this is the newest Samsung Tab S4, and it has changed quite a bit. The aspect ratio has changed, the dimensions have changed, it's a little bit larger. And what we want to do is consider, is the accessory, the two viewing modes book cover, a accessory that's worth buying? Keep in mind, this thing is expensive. It's almost 60 bucks, if not over it. So we're going to take a look at this case cover, this book cover with two viewing modes, and then see if it's actually worth the price. Let's go ahead and check it out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. Now, taking a closer look at the cover or the case for your Tab S4, the first thing I'll describe is the material. It is supposedly made by a synthetic leather material, so this is not genuine leather. I don't know if it really even feels like leather to me. It has kind of like an abrasive feel to it, so it's not smooth in any way, but also at the same time it, I think, gives you a grippier sense of holding onto the tablet. So I like that it's not super smooth, but it doesn't really feel like leather, even though they call it synthetic leather. In the inside here, you'll notice that you place your tab. It does have a S Pen holder, which is removable, so you can like snap this off if you don't want to carry your S Pen with you. And then it has a shell-based locking mechanism where you're going to put your tablet. On the back, you have a cutout for the camera, and you do have some viewing angles. Well, it looks like you can prop up your tablet like this as one, or you can have it like this as two. So all in all, that's pretty much the functionality. Again, $59 book cover for your Tab S4. Let's see what it looks like inside. Now, for those of you who are curious about how the S Pen fits in the case, just wanted to show you what the look will look like. Now, it does not come out, so I've been trying to shake it to see if it will come out, and you can see that it doesn't fall out. However, it doesn't have really a locking mechanism. It's kind of a pressure lock. So as you push in, it kind of stays in place, and you can feel like when there is some compression going on there, so that's how it holds it into place. So that's how it would look with the pen. So guys, that concludes our review of the Samsung book cover for the Galaxy Tab S4. Is it worth the $59 price? Leave it in the comment area. Let me know. See you in the next one.